Good morning. Congrats to all students. Now we started the third semester. The third semester BSc second, third semester. Paper number 7. Title of the paper is Animal Nutrition. Today we discuss about the syllabus of the paper Animal Nutrition. The first topic of this paper is livestock population and availability of feed and fodder. First topic. So in the first topic there is the livestock populations. So what is the livestock? These livestock includes the cattle, buffalo, goat, sheep, and all the domestic animals. So India has the largest livestock populations in the world. And India is deficient of the feeds and fodder for the providing the livestock. India has a deficient of the feeds and fodders. So the first topic is the livestock populations and availability of the feeds and fodders. Second topic, study of nutrients and their nutritional importance. The second topic of the animal nutrition is study of nutrients and their nutritional importance. So what is the nutrients? What is meant by nutrients? So the nutrients are the substance or any food atom or any food constituents that nourishes the body, and which is help for maintenance purpose, production purpose, growth purpose, and reproductions. So the nutrients is the substance or any food constituents that nourishes the body and which is help in the maintenance, growth, productions and reproductions of an animals or livestock. So there are the 6 major nutrients which is required for the growth, maintenance, productions and with the reproduction purpose. So these are the 6 major nutrients. The first is the water, second fats, third carbohydrates, fourth proteins, vitamins and 6 minerals. So these are the nutrients which are required for the development of an animals. So in study of nutrients and their nutritional importance, we study about the 6 major nutrients in detail. See, the first nutrient is water. So the water is the most important nutrients of an animals. Without an waters, the animals cannot be live for more than 5 to 10 days. So the first is the waters. In waters, so sources of waters, requirement of water in animal body, water losses and functions of water in animal body. The nutrients, the first nutrients is the water, sources of waters in animal body, requirement of waters in animal body, water loss and functions of water in animal body. Second nutrients is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is also the important nutrients. In carbohydrates, we can study definitions, classification, importance and digestion. Definition, classification, importance and digestion and metabolism in ruminants. So the ruminants, what is the ruminants? The ruminants, animals having the stomach, having the 4 parts. The second topic articles in the nutrients is the carbohydrates. Next, third, proteins. So the proteins is called as the body building muscles. Proteins is also the most important nutrients which are required by the animals. In proteins, study the definition, classification of proteins, importance and digestion in ruminants. Digestion in ruminants. So the third nutrients is the proteins. Fourth nutrients is the lipids or fats. So the fats or lipids is the energy giving nutrients. Energy giving nutrients is the fats. In the lipids is also the definition, classification, importance and digestion in ruminants. And digestion in ruminants. These are the 4. Next is the 5th nutrients is the minerals. So the minerals in animal body about 3% minerals which are present. So in animal body there are about 30 to 40 types of minerals are present of the presence. So in minerals is the definitions of minerals, types and importance in animal nutrition. Importance in animal nutrition. So in case of types, so the minerals which are classified into the two, the micro minerals and the mega minerals. The micro means which are found in the small quantities, and mega minerals means the minerals which are found in the large quantities in the animal's body. So the fifth topic is the minerals, definitions, types and importance in animal nutrition. Next is the sixth major is the vitamins. So vitamins is required for the health giving vitamins. So the vitamins is again the vitamins definition, different is the types and importance of vitamins in the animal's body. So the vitamins is again divided into the two, with the fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. So the fat soluble vitamins mean the vitamins which are soluble in fat, that is these A, B, E, K are the fat soluble vitamins, and the water soluble vitamins means those vitamins which are soluble in waters. There is the vitamin B complex and C. So these are the classifications: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. So these are the study of nutrients and their nutritional importance. We study the different nutrients which are required for the growth, maintenance, production and reproduction purpose. So there are the 6 major nutrients like the water, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, minerals and vitamins. And next is the 7th article of the feed additives. So what is meant by feed additives? So these feed additives are the non-nutritive substance. Means that the non-nutritive substance added to the basal diet or basal rations or diet in small amount. Added into these feed additives are required in the small amounts are added in the diet in order to improve the feed efficiency, and productive performance of the livestock. So these are what is the different feed additives? That is the probiotics, antibiotics, hormones and other growth stimulating hormones. So they are the feed additives is the non-nutritive substance added to the basal diet in small amount in order to improve the feed efficiency and productive performance of the livestock. So the second topic is the study of nutrients and their nutritional importance. Second topic. Now, third topic of this paper, is classification of feed and fodder or classification of feedstuffs. So the classification of the feed and fodder or feedstuffs. So these feedstuffs or feed and fodder can be broadly classified into the two groups. First, refuges, and second is the concentrates. Feeds can be broadly classified into refuges and concentrates. So what is meant by refuges? Refuges means that feeds which contain more than 18% crude fiber and less than 60% total digestible nutrients. That is called as the refuges. And refuges are the bulky feeds containing more than 18% crude fibers and less than 60% total digestible nutrients. And concentrates, the concentrates means that feeds which are containing less than 18% crude fiber and more than 60% total digestible nutrients. The refuges and the classification. Again, we get the details. Study detail in the refuges are again classified into two. There is the green refuges and dry refuges, depending upon the moisture content. So we can study in the detail in next lectures. Now this one is the classifications and in feed and fodder. We study